Welcome to Decode It with Pez. So, you just got laid off or fired. First off, breathe. I know it's a shock, it's emotional, and maybe you're panicking a little. But you're not alone, and this doesn't define your future. In today's video, I'm walking you through exactly what to do, step by step, when you lose your job. Financially, emotionally, and professionally. Alright, let's start with what to do immediately after you're let go. Stay calm. Don't say anything you'll regret. Get clarity. Ask, is this a layoff or a termination? Get it in writing. Collect documents. Ask about your final paycheck, severance, and used vacation benefits. Leave professionally. Even if you're hurt, don't burn bridges. You want to walk out with your dignity and a plan, not just your box of stuff. Next, take a hard look at your financial situation. Apply for unemployment benefits right away. Review your budget. Cut what you don't need. Understand what happens to your health insurance. Do you need COBRA? Can you go on a partner's plan? If you had a 401k, decide whether to roll it over or leave it for now. Losing a job hits hard. It can feel like failure, but it's not. Layoffs happen to the best people, and even getting fired can be a turning point for the better. Take a few days to breathe, cry if you need to, talk to someone, but don't stay in that space forever. Your value didn't disappear with your job. Now, let's get tactical. Update your resume and LinkedIn. Ask for recommendations from former coworkers. Save your performance reviews or metrics you're proud of. Write a short post letting people know you're open to work. This is also a chance to pivot and get proactive. Start by checking out job sites like Indeed, LinkedIn Jobs, Glassdoor, Monster, or even niche boards in your industry. Set up alerts so the right roles come to you. Want to go freelance or consult? Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopDal can be great starting points. Need to upskill? A short course from Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning might open new doors. Or is this the time to finally switch careers entirely? Treat this like a reset button, not the end of the story. Being laid off or fired can feel like your world is falling apart, but I promise you, it's not. You've still got skills, drive, and options. You will bounce back, and maybe even land somewhere better than where you were. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it. You've got this. I'm rooting for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights, Decoded Weekly. Check the links in the description for exclusive deals just for my viewers.